Hi friends, my name is Nagendra Tiwari and for the first time I am appearing on YouTube with my new channel LSPP, a legal services preparation platform. On this platform you will easily access to learn law easily. CLAT, it's CLAT and PCSJ, APO, HJS, PT comments we are going to cover in this lecture series. So please stay with us and stick to our lecture series so that you could get update and notifications. Please do subscribe and share with your close ones. Here we are going to deliver a never-ending lecture series. What we are going to deliver is a sequence of lectures. It's a sequence of lectures. It is going to be never-ending program. First, the very first lecture would be constitutional law, and after going through this we will jump into second, substantive law, IPC and allied subjects. Then after we are going to cover procedural law, CRPC and allied subjects, CRPC and the subjects which requires procedural provisions. Then comes the theoretical law, the law which contains within it legal theories, which you know in other word as jurisprudence. You're going to learn it a very fabulous way. International law, and very close to it is legal current affairs all across the world, including national, state and international legal current affairs. Then comes the very few but very important with regard to state PCSJ exams, local laws. It varies. Different states has different local laws and we are going to cover it, especially keeping in mind the North Indian states as, for example, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh. You are going to learn local laws. The seventh program lecture series would be English language and drafting. It would be based on English language, intense lecture, a very intense lecture that will enable you in 3D way. The very purpose of language is not only to read and write it, be able to read and write, but also to speak, be efficient enough to deliver what one thinks inside. Along with it, we are going to cover legal language of your law. And at least I would like to add some more thing to my lecture introductory part today is medium of teaching and learning and the mode of lectures. Medium would be first English. The way I'm going to deliver my lecture in English, I would rather try to deliver it the same way in bilingual lecture series. So it is going to be a sequential series. First it's going to be in English medium, then after bilingual lecture. And talking about the mode of lecture, it's going to be online first, then after offline. And if you please have any query, you can quest. Just dial 74086-59904. It's all for today. See you. Please do subscribe my channel and share to your close ones once again. Jai Hind. भैया आ जाइए, हो गया। अब देखिए जरा से एक बार सुन लीजिए।